Oh, I hope it's recording. Wow, the road is carpeted out here. Yeah, I could hear the noise last night. I hope this mic is working now, because yesterday was shit, man. I had recorded everything and then the mic was not working. I'd actually changed the position of my mic from the regular place to a different one, and even added a dead cat, and it sucked, man. Anyways, guys, let's start the vlog. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is GTK Noob, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and give a like to this video. And to my regular viewers, welcome back to the channel. So right now I am on my way towards I'm actually going to meet Sunilda. So he had some work in town, so I'm gonna go and meet him. And yesterday's video was such a nice video, man, and the audio sucked. I had gone to tag along and met my friends there. कता गएको जयस्टर कता गएको को लिनु के भन्दैछ ए त्यहाँ के भन्यो ए म त हामी आउँदैछ बाइक भरेछ रेडी अरे बाबा यहाँ तो हैप्पी लोसोङ नामसोङ के नामसोङ और बड़ा भाई क्या है हालचाल सब टाइट सबै ठिकै छ पुङ्गे आयो फकेर अस्ति आगेले सोध्दै थियो कि त्यहाँ त्यो चाइनिज ससेसको बारेमा म देन देयर उसले यहाँबाट कुनै के किन्छु भने कि अन्त चाइनिज ससेस मेरो भाइको एकजना छ उसकोबाट किन्नु नि भने कि भाउ छैन रहेछ नि होइन कम ब्याक त उयो सुक्दैछ ए सुक्दैछ है हुन आँट्यो कि यस प्रोसेस कता देखाइदिउँ छैनहरू कस्तो साइड देखायो आज हालले निकालेको नि बाहिर बजाज स्ट्रिट 750 हो स्ट्रिट 750 अनि we are going church अब चर्च गएको आज के हो क्रिसमस कमिङ ए प्र्याक्टिस है ओ यो प्रिपरेसन हामीले कोयर गीत गाएन भने ग्यान्टकमा कोही छैन कोयर गीत ए हैन अब हाम्रो नि ल सक्यो बस okay like and subscribe please nice. And don't forget to press that notification button bell icon This is sausage man. Yes, if you guys want to order Chinese sausage, he is the guy. You Instagram ko name? Sausage underscore age. My best friend. I'll give the link in my description. Bye bye. Take care. Did you see my vlog?
Yeah, I saw.
You told me not to show us, so I just
I saw that you like zoomed it in.
Sanitized. And even I rode with Age Mukum as well. Oh, that's Age Mukum. It's also going towards town. I need to go to bypass and drop something. So I'm gonna drop this there. So I'm gonna head up now. Not gonna go from bypass, but I'm gonna go towards from that place, from the other place. Woo, look at my bike, man, it's clean as looks beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful, looks beautiful. Everything went to shit. anyways, that's the past. So a day before that day, I had visited 100 Petals, where Age Karma, I think you guys might know him by Ride Sikkim. What happened, man? Oh bloody. So anyways, Age Karma, I met him, we had a few chats. I went home after that, and Alistair was there with me that day, and the footage got ruined because of the audio. So I hope finally today it's recording. I have kept it in the same old settings as it was before. Let's now talk about let's move on from the past. So pretty nice weather, huh? In Gangtok. It's really cold. but the weather is good, man. It's good, awesome weather. And I have a small news for you guys. This coming Sunday, I might attend one of the program where I have been invited by one of our friends, one of my friend. So he asked me to come towards, I think there's a program going on nearby Ronka, somewhere nearby Gangtok. So I'll be attending that on 20th. That's on Sunday. So we'll be attending that, and from there I'm going to shoot some vlogs there, and I hope that I will be meeting some of the other motor vloggers as well. So let's see. So anyways, I'll go and meet Sunilda, and I will let you know what's gonna happen. Oh yes, I forgot to tell you guys. तो आज तो थोड़ा झंझट पट्टी बनता है भाई. अब हम vlog करेंगे थोड़ा हिंदी में भी, क्योंकि हमारे एक सब्सक्राइब भैया ने बोला है. आप इनका कमेंट देख लीजिए. तो भैया ने बोला है हिंदी बोल, तो भैया सब्सक्राइबर का बात तो मानना ही पड़ेगा ना. तो इसलिए आज बोल रहे हैं हम हिंदी पे, थोड़ा ब्लॉग करेंगे हिंदी पे, थोड़ा झंझट पट्टी भी करेंगे भाई, क्योंकि इसी में मज़ा है, क्योंकि मज़ा में ही मज़ा है. अरे बबुआ. So what just happened is my battery got over. I'm using a new battery now. So just reached development area. So I'm gonna go towards Travel Cafe, since I just called up Sunilda and he said that he and Aga Purba is in Travel Cafe. Where the? कहाँ बसा Sunilda? अब तो आज हम यहाँ. Where's the? Oh bloody. So let's go inside and देखते हैं क्या होता है. Two with Telada. Hello again.
बसन सर न के माथिको यसो टुर्छ ए ल मेरो भाउजू पनि हुन्छ त एग्रिकल्चर.
Oh, whenever you come to Calcutta. What man? Hello. Very weird in front.
The laugh, following. The laugh.
Hundenato.
Hundenato?
Hundenato.
I guess I Channa. Channa.
You get every.
Bye, Priyas.
Yes, bye.
Bye, Sandra. Bye, Kesang. Bye-bye.
Are you making a video?
Yeah, let me down.
Bye, Shara.
Voyage.
Have a nice ride. Bistari, bro.
Yeah, Bistari. Enjoy. Bye, Bye.
Bye bye, Sharab. Bye, Sharab. Bye, Sharab.
I hope it's recording the voice, whatever I'm speaking. So anyways guys, I'm heading back home. It was a very nice day for me, and whatever it is.
Yo, bhai.
Yeah.
God damn it.
And oh yeah, I forgot to हिंदी में तो बोलना ही भूल गया भाई. तो आपने जीटी के नूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो कर लें अभी के अभी, और आपने लाइक भी नहीं ठोका है तो ठोक दें अभी के अभी, और बेल आइकन भी दबा लीजिए अभी के अभी. So anyways guys, I'll see you in the next video, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one. I hope I didn't forget anything. I need my bike to warm up, man. So hopefully this video will be uploaded tomorrow, I suppose. And man, that was a really shitty thing for the mic to not work properly. Anyways, it won't happen again, I guess. Lesson to be learned, man. Don't screw something which is already fine. Sorry. Screw with something which is already good and fine. So come on, hit up. So that we will go.